Welcome to a world where modern agricultural machines redefine the very essence of farming. These incredible marvels are revolutionizing the industry and propelling it to new heights. We won't keep you waiting any longer. Let's dive into the future of farming. First up, we have a beautiful machine dedicated to apple harvesting. It promises to bring joy to the farm and make those working days a lot happier with the assistance of these incredible machines. A complete processing line for vegetables is our next stop. Starting with a sorting table, brushing table, air dryer, and sponge dryer, and finally, a rotating table for packing, every step of the way is streamlined thanks to the invaluable contribution of modern machines. Behold the result of science, engineering, and technology. An innovative machine developed to minimize manual labor and treat each strawberry with the utmost care to avoid any mechanical damage. Let's move on to pineapple peeling. This machine simplifies the process, making it a breeze, and is an absolute must-have for those who adore this tropical fruit. Speaking of apples, here's a semi-automatic machine for apple peeling. Witness the efficiency and convenience it brings to apple processing. With the new harvest season on the horizon, prepare yourself for powerful machines that will redefine the way we cultivate and harvest crops. These advances signify the evolution of modern agricultural machines. Beautiful flower gardens require regular care and pruning. This machine is your greatest assistant in maintaining the vibrant beauty of your blossoms. For excellent fruit quality and size, a mechanical thinning machine is indispensable. Watch as it achieves precision through its smart, compact design. Another remarkable innovation in fruit processing is this machine, equipped with multiple cutting capabilities to achieve the perfect thickness. It's a manual device designed for unpeeled watermelons. An ideal machine for harvesting onions, showcasing incredible working speed and precision. Say goodbye to labor problems and excessive costs with these powerful tools. "14 years of using these three machines in the orchard have brought a new era of technology and modern agriculture, achieving unparalleled efficiency and fruit quality." Eggs sorted onto a conveyor belt undergo thorough cleaning and treatment to ensure pristine quality. Witness the innovation in poultry farming. future of chicken farming is here. Modern automation in chicken farming ensures productivity and efficiency. These incredible machines represent the future of farming. We hope this video has piqued your curiosity and provided a glimpse into the limitless capabilities of modern agricultural machinery. We'd love to hear which machine caught your attention the most, so don't forget to leave a comment below. And, of course, like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos on the forefront of agricultural innovation.